Hello, everyone. Today I'll show you how to plan projects in Wrike step by step in 2026. Wrike is a powerful project management tool, and proper planning helps teams stay organized and on track. First, log into Wrike and create a new project. Click New and choose Project. You can start from a blank project or select a template based on your needs. Next, define your project goals. Add a clear project name and description. Mention deadlines, objectives, and expected outcomes so everyone understands the plan. Now break the project into tasks. Divide big work into smaller tasks and subtasks. This makes work easier to manage and track. After that, assign tasks to team members. Give each task a clear owner. Proper assignment improves accountability and teamwork. Then set start dates, due dates, and priorities. Timelines help avoid delays. Priorities highlight the most important tasks. Next, organize everything using folders, tags, and workflows. This keeps your project clean and easy to navigate. Structured projects save time. Now switch to timeline or Gantt view. This lets you see task dependencies and overall progress. It helps prevent scheduling conflicts. After that, track progress regularly. Use comments, mentions, and status updates to communicate. Clear communication keeps everyone aligned. Finally, review the project and adjust when needed. Update deadlines, tasks, or resources if things change. Flexibility is key to success. So yeah, planning projects in Wrike means creating clear goals, breaking work into tasks, assigning owners, setting timelines, organizing properly, and tracking progress consistently. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for listening, stay productive, and I'll see you in the next